Hey everybody, we had a turn of events that happened over the last 24 hours. We found a Dodge Demon in Houston for a great deal. So, it is now Operation Put the Cursed Hellcat back to stock, because Monday morning we are going to drive to Houston to pick up our 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon, serial number 2211. So we got a lot of work ahead of us. We're gonna yank everything off of here. Eventually this stuff will come up for sale because it is not going on the Demon. The only thing that I have planned for the Demon is to put the rear brake setup that I have on this so I can fit the big tire. Other than that, we are gonna be fire selling everything off of this car. So stay tuned. Let's get started.
I put the team on my back. I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap. Nobody ever gon' challenge me. Starting my week on a Sunday. They think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off. Waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around. Never be turning around. Ayy. Never be slowing it down. Never be slowing it down.
Hey, what's up everybody? I want to give you a quick update. Worked into the night. Had some help from my buddy Walter. His new Demon will probably be making it onto the channel at some point. But I made some progress. We got the Killer Chiller stuff all gone. All of the, let's see if we can see it here. All of the factory heat exchanger stuff's all back in. The factory supercharger's back on. So the fuel lines have been all removed. The only thing that's left is to drop the exhaust so I can put the stock one back on. Then the next thing is going to be to remove the drive shaft and put the factory drive shaft back on. Then lastly, we're going to drop the tank. So we got to take the rest of the fuel line out, then the triple fuel pumps out as well so we can reinstall the factory one. So we are getting closer. Tomorrow is the day. We are going to pick up Demon 2211. Super excited. All right, later. All right, so I finished everything on the car. It is completely 100% back to stock. Whoever gets this car is gonna have a secret little surprise because it still has the Paramount built transmission in it. So it definitely is gonna take whatever abuse somebody puts on it. So congratulations, you just got a built transmission to whoever gets this car. But super excited. I'm filling it back up with 93 octane, no more E85 for the Cursed Hellcat. Then about to head to Houston. Next stop, Demon. Looky there. They even put a bow on top of it. I don't know what that's about, but I am pretty darn excited.
I put the team on my back. I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap. Nobody ever gon' challenge me. Starting my week on a Sunday. They think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off. Waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around. Never be turning around. Ayy. Never be slowing it down. Never be slowing it down.